Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to implement requirement Salesforce with process builder. So for that we will quickly go to the requirement. The requirement is about contact object and it has a two field. One is a checkbox, one is a pick list field. So based on active checkbox we have to update the remark pick list field. So when the checkbox is checked at the time of contact creation, so field should display valid contact. When checkbox is unchecked at the time of contact creation, so remark field should display invalid contact. So after contact creation, when someone has edited the contact with the active checkbox from unchecked to check, so remark field should display valid contact. And last one is when the contact is exited with active checkbox from check to uncheck, the remark field should display invalid contact. Okay, the simple requirement we have to implement today. So I quickly go to the process builder. So here is my screen on which I have opened the process builder, and I'll go to the new button here. I'll say update remark field on active checkbox. I'll select a record changes. I'll click on the save button because we are considering the contact object here, and there are scenarios about creation as well as contact edit. So I'll go to this option when a contact is created and edited. I click on the save here. So there are four requirements, so we should have the four criteria in the process builder. The first one is contact created with the invalid box criteria one. So the first requirement is created with active checkbox unchecked. So I'll select active, I'll select true, I'll save this. So immediate action should be the, it should display the contact having remark field as a valid contact. I'll select this option here because we are updating the fields on same object. Remark, I'll select the valid contact here. I'll go to criteria 2. I'll select active here. I'll check this as a false. When the contact is created with active checkbox as a false, the remark field should display invalid contact. Now the third condition is contact edited with active checkbox from unchecked to check. So that means earlier the checkbox was unchecked, but someone has edited the contact and active checkbox has been checked. So it should display the valid contact with the remark field. So I'll design the requirement in such a way. Here I will select the uh, two conditions. First, the checkbox is true, and the checkbox has been checked. That means it has been changed from false to true. So this formula field will be true here. And the quick action should be that remark as a valid contact. Now the last condition is someone has edited the contact. Earlier the checkbox was checked and now it is unchecked. So obviously the remark field should display invalid contact. So it was exactly opposite of the criteria 3. So I'll select active false, and after that the last action on the contact update. So here I'll select remark as a invalid contact. So let's quickly go through the all criteria, whether we have created the right criteria. When the active is true, the contact is valid. When the active is false, the contact should be invalid. When the active is true and change from false to true, so that means the contact is valid. The last one is active is false and it is changed from false to true to false, sorry. So the contact is invalid. So our process builder is ready. I'll activate it. Now we will test this scenario. So let's test the first scenario, which is the contact is created with active checkbox unchecked. So the expectation is it should display invalid contact. So let's see. I'll click paste, paste file, and active checkbox I will not check. So expectation it should show the invalid contact here. Yes, you can see the contact is invalid. Now the second requirement, the new contact with active checkbox checked. The expectation is remark should show the active checkbox and valid contact. Yeah. So now we will go to the edit scenario. The first scenario was active checkbox from unchecked to checked. So here is the fourth scenario from checked to unchecked. So uh, currently it is showing valid contact. So expectation if it should show invalid contact here. So let's see. Yes, now it is showing invalid contact. And the last scenario is when the checkbox is inactive and we will make this check. So expectation it should show the valid contact on saving to the contact record. Yes, now we could see that the remark has updated to valid contact. So guys, this is the requirement and we have implemented it with the help of process builder. I hope you have learned something new today and I'll be sharing more such videos soon. Please stay tuned up and take care everyone. Bye.